Welcome to VINDAL'S Academy. Welcome to VINDAL'S Academy. We have this question on simple machine stroke inclined plane. I have to bring the two of them because the principle are, they have something in common. All right, because of this inclined plane and properties of simple machine. Now look at this question. It said that a load of 25 kg was moved through a distance of 3 meters on an inclined plane to raise it through a height of 0.5 meters. If the efficiency is 100%, calculate the work done on the load, and 2, the effort applied to raise the load. All right. On this question, I want to point a few things for you. Number one is this 100%. Whenever you say that efficiency is 100%, it simply means that velocity ratio must be equal to mechanical advantage. That is number one condition. Another thing I want you to know is this. People make, a kind of misconception between the effort and the force. They are not the same thing. Even though sometimes they can be expressed on the same unit. Effort is not the same thing as force. Now, what I want you to say is that the force used to push this load down is not the same thing as the effort, because effort is the same thing as saying mechanical advantage all over load. Even though I can even express load in Newton, it does not make it effort. Remember. And also remember that force on its own is same thing as mass times acceleration due to gravity, or we can say that force is equal to mass times acceleration. This is the force acting downward, and this is a force acting on a straight line on every other plane. All right. So having known this and having put these points down, let's go straight to solving the question. Let's go with number one, the work done. Work done on the load. The question is, whenever you talk about work, the next thing that you should be thinking is, what do you intend to achieve? You intend to achieve this load, pushing it from here and putting it there. So what is the distance that the load has covered by the effort is from from here to this place. That is what you want to do, even though that this is where you are following. This is distance moved by the effort, but this is the distance covered by the load. All right, so for that reason, I'm going to say that work done is equal to force times distance. Now, on this case, what is the force? Force is mass times acceleration. What is the mass of the body? Mass is this, which is 25. Force, remember, force can be mg. So g there is 10, which was not given, but you should know that is there, which is 10. So this is simply the weight of the body, times what it has achieved is from here to here, which is 0.5. Or simply put, mgh is the work. Sometimes we call it potential energy. They are the same thing as work. So in this case, I'm going to have 25 times 10, 250 divided by 2, which is 125 joules. So this is the work done on the load, the work done on the load. All right. So the next thing is effort applied to raise the load. The effort, I'm going to use this formula, which is which is going to be effort is going to be mechanical advantage all over load. Now, what is the mechanical advantage? I don't know. It was not given on the question, but I was given that efficiency is 100%. From this condition, I'm going to find velocity ratio. So what is velocity ratio? Remember, velocity ratio is always distance moved by load over distance moved by effort over distance moved by load. What is the distance moved by effort? This is the effort, and this is the distance it has moved, which is 3 all over the distance that the load has moved, which is 0.5. Therefore, velocity ratio is 6 without any unit. So if velocity ratio is 6, it simply means that mechanical advantage is also going to be 6. So I'm going to have 6 all over. Load is 25 times 10, because I'm going to express the load in Newton. which is like a weight of the body. So I'm going to have 25 times 10. I think there is something here. Mechanical advantage is, wait, let me find something. Mechanical advantage is load over effort, okay? So that is going to be, load is going to be, okay, so I'm looking for load. I'm looking for load. What is that now? What is this happening? Okay, so it's going, effort is supposed to be load over mechanical advantage. Yes, that was where the mistake was coming from. So I'm going to change this. So effort is going to be load all over mechanical advantage. So load there is 250. Remember, 25 times acceleration due to gravity. All over mechanical advantage is 6. So this is going to be 250 divided 6, 41.67 in Newton. Thank you for being part of this lesson. Remember, the right thing you should do, always share this video, like and comment. Have a nice day.